Hi, this is Ryan Neal from the USA offices of Neal Saddlery and Harness, Cowboy Sewing Machines, and HighTex Sewing Machines. Today we're going to do a demonstrational video on our 7367 flatbed heavy-duty nylon webbing sewing machine. The 7367 is designed to be an extremely fast speed or very high speed sewing solution for people that are interested in doing nylon webbing. It'll sew up to 3 layers of this heavy-duty nylon webbing as we've demonstrated here in the video, or demonstrated here in this sample. And then it'll also is used extensively for sewing FIBC cargo bags. This presser foot set that we have available for the machine is made specifically for sewing FIBC cargo bags. And then if you look back at this presser foot set is designed for sewing on either on the left-hand side, the middle, or the right-hand side of heavy-duty nylon webbing straps. We have a number of time-saving features that we've incorporated into this machine for increased productivity. Now we can set the machine up with these features, or we can set them up without these features if you're interested in a lower price. We have a automatic reverse button right here. In addition, we have an automatic reverse pedal, which is down here. By pressing this button, it'll hold the machine in reverse. By pressing this pedal, you can engage instantaneous reverse, or by holding the pedal down, you can also engage reverse and hold it in a reverse position. We also have a pneumatic presser foot lifter option right here. We have our half stitch option, which allows the machine to go in half stitch increments. And then we also have our low speed button, which allows you to rapidly decrease the speed of the sewing machine, setting it down to whatever you have it set at on that low speed function, which is programmable on the motor over here. So we can set it to go from 1200 RPM by pressing this button. We can set it to go down to 400 RPM, 200 RPM, or 100 RPM, whatever setting we program into the motor. So that works good if you're in a very tight sewing situation where you need to go slower. You just press the button and you can sew as slow as you want, then press the button again and it goes back to the high speed. So we're going to give you a quick demonstrational video here on the capabilities of this machine. I'm going to go ahead and hammer down on this as much as I can, and so you got as fast as I can, so you can see how quickly this machine can sew. And then if we want, we can go ahead and engage our reverse function. So that'll give you an idea about how quickly this machine is capable of sewing through this heavy-duty nylon webbing. If you have any additional questions about the 7367 sewing machine, please feel free to give me a call directly. My name is Ryan Neal from the USA offices of Neal Saddlery and Harness, Cowboy Sewing Machines, and HighTex Sewing Machines. And you can reach me at area code 330-692-1418. And I do thank you for your time today.